What a nice surprise. This thing is badass.
Yeah, they're pretty excited with that. We came last year alone, and when we went home, they took everything. So
Congrats on this. That looks so good.
OEM, I think.
What's this called?
That's actually the version 2 of the Grackle.
Okay, so Grackle 2. I love it. Super smooth.
D10, I have like 7 or 8 left. The inline one, I have about 14 or 15. And the budgets, this is the first time the budgets are available, so I bought like 70 of them.
Yeah, these are crazy. That's awesome.
What do you think they would get for those for $100?
Really?
Both sets of scales.